Metra has collaborated with Vibe Audio to create state-of-the-art plug-and-play audio systems tailored to fit and enhance the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab. The TY-PPKT-1 has everything needed to install a premium aftermarket audio system in one convenient package. Premium amplifiers. A total of 6 assorted speakers for the front and rear of the vehicle. And a 10-inch subwoofer in a ported enclosure. Paired with an assortment of Metra products that make installation easy, such as a vehicle-specific plug-and-play integration harnessing, speaker adapters, an amp rack, and more. This kit includes a DSP tuned specifically for the vehicle and the equipment. No additional programming or setup is required. Simply plug in and wire up the equipment. This comprehensive kit ensures every component works harmoniously to deliver unparalleled sound quality and ease of installation. So check out this audio kit and our other available audio kits at metraonline.com.